Dear students, today we are going to learn about the cell organelles. So just recall, in the previous class we already discussed about the cell structure, types of cells, unicellular and multicellular, and next plant cell, animal cell, types of cells, and plasma membrane structure, nucleus structure. And now today we will discuss about the cell organelles. So first, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles. These are the cell organelles in eukaryotic cells. So first we discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, short form is ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Here endo means within, plasmic means cell fluid, reticulum means network. Means the network within the cell fluid is called endoplasmic reticulum. So when the cell was observed in the electronic microscope, so they observed the network, membranous network. So that is called, the network create passages for the transportation of the materials within the cell fluid. So that is called the ER. So the large network, so we can also say it, endoplasmic reticulum is the large network of tubules and sheets. These tubules and sheets are filled with fluid. So they transport the materials within the cell. So the regions of, within the regions of cell fluid and between cell cytoplasm and nucleus also. Here endoplasmic reticulum, you can see in the picture, there are two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In the endoplasmic reticulum, some areas it is attached with ribosomes. Ribosomes are the factories of proteins. In the ribosomes, proteins synthesize. So after that, the proteins are transported to the ER. So that is the RER. So here RER, sites of protein manufacturing. Next, SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The ribosomes do not attach to the ERs in some areas. So that areas is called SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER helps in manufacturing of fat molecules, lipids. These are called as lipids. So endoplasmic reticulum main function is manufacturing of proteins and lipids. Some of these proteins and lipids are helpful to form the cell membrane. So recall the cell membrane structure. So cell membrane is forms with the lipoprotein, means lipids and proteins. So some of these manufacturing proteins and lipids are helpful to form the cell membrane also. Here endoplasmic reticulum, the main function of endoplasmic reticulum, to serve as channels for the transport of materials within the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and nucleus. And next, it also providing surface for some of biochemical activities in the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum not only manufactures the proteins and lipids, it is also providing a surface for the biochemical, some of the biochemical activities in the cell. The SER manufactures the lipids, RER manufactures the proteins. And the other SER's other crucial role of SER is in mainly vertebrate liver cells. It detoxifying the poisons and drugs in the liver cells. So this is the importance of the endoplasmic reticulum. Here the large network containing of tubules and sheets. So that is called the endoplasmic reticulum. Now let us discuss about the next organelle, Golgi apparatus. Why this unknown name? Get it? Because it has been named after the scientist observed in an animal cell, first observed in an animal cell in the year 1898, and his name was Camillo Golgi. So that's why we are called as Golgi operators. So this organelle is membrane bound organelle. This organelle is made up of several membranes. These membranes create sac-like structures around which many fluid filled vesicles abound. So the protein produced in the ribosomes, the proteins are synthesized in the ribosomes. Then they transfers into the endoplasmic reticulum. Then the proteins manufactured in the endoplasmic reticulum transport to next to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus then receives the proteins and stores some time. And when it has to secrete to other parts of the destination, so it is first packaged, storage, and then modification. It gets modified in the Golgi apparatus. So what happens to the proteins receives from the endoplasmic reticulum in the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus mainly first stores the proteins and also sometimes it modifies the proteins and then next package. It will be packaging and give a special destination to the material. So then the Golgi apparatus transports or secretes these packaged material to the decided destination. So this is the main function of Golgi apparatus. Okay, what is the function of Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus first receives the proteins manufactured by the ribosomes from the endoplasmic reticulum and stores. Then next, sometimes it modifies the proteins and package the proteins, manufactured substances, other proteins and other substances also it packaged, and then it give a destination to the proteins and other substances, and then next transport to the decided destination places. This is the main function of the Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus is the membrane bound organelle. It is first observed by Camillo Golgi and named after him. It consists of tubules and vesicles in it. So the main function of Golgi apparatus is storage the proteins and other substances, receives the proteins and other substances from the endoplasmic reticulum, and next modified sometimes and packaged it, and then give the destination to the packaged material, and it secretes or transports the materials to decided destination places. The Golgi apparatus secretes these manufactured and modified proteins and other substances to the cell, outside of the cell or within the cell also. So outside of the cell, sometimes these materials will be secretes to the outside of the cell, and sometimes it will be helpful in the repair and reform of the cell membrane also. Sometimes these materials, proteins are useful or helpful for the recreate and repair of the plasma membrane, cell membrane also. So this is the use of Golgi apparatus. And Golgi apparatus always not only the same number, in equal number in all cells. There are different types of numbers. In some, for example, some cells secretes enzymes and hormones. In those cells, the Golgi apparatus number large in those cells. So these are the important points of the Golgi apparatus. So dear students, today we discussed about the endoplasmic cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Endoplasmic reticulum is also called as the transportation of the cell. So transport system of the cell. This is very, very important. Here endoplasmic reticulum manufactures the proteins and lipids and also transports the materials. Golgi apparatus receives these manufactured materials and stores, and sometimes it alters the materials also, and then next packaged, and it give a mark to the destination. So where the materials has to go, outside, within the cell or outside of the cell. And then next the transport or secretes the materials, manufactured materials, proteins and other substances, so within the cell or outside of the cell. So these are the main functions of the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. These are very, very important in the cell. So just like the Golgi apparatus is also a factory. It can store materials and packaged, and then next when there is a necessary in other cells or organelles, sometimes it gives to the cell organelle, lysosome also, not only direct to the outside of the cell membrane. So these are the important points of the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus.